What is it about Delhi that brings you here?
I think the cultural relevance of the city.
Tough choice, Bombay or Delhi?
Chennai.
That's a clever answer. Tell me, coming from a family of Kapoor, what is that one thing that you have learned from Anil Kapoor?
Anil Chachu, I've learned the importance of having good energy that's contagious, of working hard.
If you were a paparazzi, who will be that one celebrity whose pictures you want to click the most and check out the most on social media?
Maybe my dad, he loves posing.
One message to people who take social media trolling very seriously.
Don't.
Hi guys, this is Monica Rawal and welcome to Hindustan Times Leadership Summit. Today I'm in conversation with the fabulous and gorgeous Janhvi Kapoor. Hi Janhvi and welcome to Hindustan Times.
Thank you for having me.
Janhvi, first things first, you are in Delhi and Delhi ki sardi. Tell me how has that been?
दिल्ली की सर्दी इतनी ठंड नहीं है वैसे, मैंने काफ़ी एंटिसिपेट की थी, लेकिन सही है, अच्छा मौसम है, मज़ा आ रहा है.
Lovely. What is it about Delhi that brings you here and you are happy about visiting the city? What is it that you look forward to especially?
I think the cultural relevance of the city. It's firstly a beautiful city. यहाँ करने को सब कुछ है. टेम्पल्स जाना है तो वो कर सकता है, खाना खाना है तो बेस्ट खाना है, शॉपिंग करना है शॉपिंग सही है, होटल्स इतने अच्छे हैं, चांदनी चौक जाके इतना मज़ा आता है, इंडिया गेट देख के इतना मज़ा आता है, इंडिया गेट के सामने लवली चुस्की खा के इतना मज़ा आता है, क्लैरिटस के पीछे पान खा के इतना मज़ा आता है. सही है, हाँ मज़ा आता है दिल्ली में.
Tough choice, Bombay or Delhi?
चेन्नई.
That's a clever answer.
Yeah.
So from Delhi, switching to your film, Janhvi, taking you back to 2018 when Dhadak came and you made your debut.
Yeah.
It was a star-studded debut. People looked forward to it. A lot was said, and you kind of proved that you are here to stay for long with your acting prowess in your very first film. When we saw you making your OTT debut with Ghost Stories, it was a second project.
Yeah.
A very brave move, I would say, to quickly switch within the mediums. And you kind of made it very clear that I'm not conforming to any norms or conventions set here for heroines in Bollywood.
Yeah.
So what was the thought process, and was there any discussions back home, or was there any convincing within yourself that okay, I can make this switch at this very initial stage of my career?
नहीं मैम, इतना तो नहीं सोचा मैंने. मुझे बस जोया मैम के साथ काम करना था. I really wanted to work with her as an actor. I think what was and still is most important for me is to work on my craft. And what better way to work on your craft than to work with one of the country's greatest directors. तो चाहे वो OTT पे हो, बड़े पर्दे पे हो या उनके मोबाइल फ़ोन पे हो, मैं तो उनके साथ काम करना चाहती थी. और हाँ, तो मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं. एंड इट वाजंट लाइक शिफ्ट करना चाहिए, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, ये वो. मुझे बस काम करना था, चाहे वो किधर भी आए, और मैंने वो करने की कोशिश की.
Dhadak was a romantic thriller, and every star kid or even somebody who's not from this industry would want to make that very conventional debut with a lovely role.
Yeah.
But suddenly एक horror genre करना, was that also like a little bit of ki whether I'll be able to pull it off or not?
No, I mean, like you said, I think I got very lucky with Dhadak. I got to work with, you know, an amazing team, शशांक, जिन्होंने इतने अच्छे फिल्म्स बनाए हैं और जिन्होंने हमें इतना प्यार दिया है और इतने प्यार से हमें डायरेक्ट किया था. And I think he really laid the foundation for the kind of actor I aspire to be. And so I think after that, जब Ghost Stories का ऑफर आया था and then consequently रूही, I was just excited to do different work and excited to do roles that were different. मेरे लिए आसान हो जाता है कि अगर पेपर पे रोल्स मेरे से सब अलग है और बाकी किरदारों से अलग है, तो आई थिंक एक एक्टर का काम ज़्यादा आसान हो जाता है. नहीं तो बैठ के सोचना पड़ता है कि अभी इसमें क्या अलग करे या उसमें क्या अलग करे, लेकिन किरदार ही इतने अलग है तो आधा काम वहीं हो जाता है. आई थिंक.
Very well said, and a very, I would say, very brighter way of looking at things as well.
I think so. I hope so.
Absolutely. And then came Gunjan Saxena. Janhvi, you are one of the very few lucky actresses we have in the industry who, in the very third project that she did, got to show her range as an actor. Gunjan Saxena was like boom. It was out there and people loved your performance. But the fact that it was released in pandemic, everybody got to watch it on their mobile screens, their TV screens, but you still won hearts. How special that project has been for you?
It was the most special, honestly. And for more reasons than just the fact that it was well received, I think that, I found a very dear friend of mine in my director Sharan, and now we're doing another film together. And it was just such an honest, special experience. मतलब मुझे लाइफ में कब मौका मिलता कि मैं गुंजन मैम जैसी ओवर अचीवर आइकॉनिक लेजेंड को मिलती, उनके साथ वक्त बिताती, उनकी कहानी को समझती. तो वो अनुभव बहुत ही प्यारा था मेरे लिए. एंड पंकज जी के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला था. एंड आई थिंक कमिंग ऑफ ऑफ धड़क, इट वाज लाइक धड़क के बाद मुझे ऐसे लगा था कि हाँ, मुझे इतना बड़ा अच्छा मौका मिला है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मैंने शायद कुछ लोगों को डिसअपॉइंट किया, मुझे ऐसे लगा था. और यहाँ मेरे हाथों में अब एक मौका है जहाँ मैं मेरा सब कुछ दे सकती हूँ.
And you did.
आई होप सो. मैंने कोशिश की. एंड इतनी स्पेशल कहानी थी वो. और तो वो एक प्योरिटी और एक सिंसियरिटी के साथ टीम के सारे लोगों ने जिस तरह से काम किया था, आई थिंक वो एनर्जी बहुत मुश्किल है. अभी गुंजन के बाद मैंने 3-4 फिल्म्स और की थी, एंड हर फिल्म स्पेशल है, लेकिन गुंजन में वो एक बात थी. और मैं फाइनल प्रोडक्ट के बारे में नहीं बात कर रही, वो मेकिंग का जो प्रोसेस था. एंड आई थिंक उसका क्रेडिट गुंजन मैम को जाता है और हमारे निर्देशक शरण जी को जाता है. शरण जी मेरे दोस्त हैं, मैं उनको कभी शरण जी नहीं बुलाती हूँ. गुंजन मैम को जाता है, क्योंकि उनकी पर्सनालिटी जो थी, वो समझने के प्रोसेस में द वे दैट वो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं कहानी में और हमारे प्रोसेस में उतर के आया था. I think that's what made it special.
I think it's always lovely to hear when actors say that more than the final product, they love the process of filmmaking, and that is where you grow as an actor.
I think so, yeah.
And Ruhi, of course, was another addition in your kitty. But now with the upcoming slate of films, there is Millie, there is Dostana 2, there is Good Luck Jerry, and there is Mr. and Mrs. Mane. So a very bright lineup and a busy 2022.
Yes.
How is it as an actor, as a young actor, I would say, as an actor of the newest generation? Are you happy being busy and having a packed schedule? या कभी लगता है ठीक है थोड़ा स्लो एंड स्टडी भी चलेगा?
नहीं, स्लो एंड स्टडी का टाइम नहीं है. पैंडेमिक में बहुत स्लो एंड स्टडी हो गया था. तो गुड लक जेरी इज we've finished filming. Millie we just wrapped. I've just started prepping for Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. And I'm feeling very guilty actually about being in Delhi for these 2 days, because I should be on the cricket field training. But I'm very excited and I love being busy, and I think more than being busy, I love doing work that feels fruitful and feels meaningful, and thankfully all of these films feel extremely close to me.
Great. So not really a rapid fire, but a quick question, the fun thing with you. Tell me, coming from family of Kapoors, family of actors and family of stars, what is that one thing that you have learned from Anil Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor and Arjun?
Okay. Anil Chachu, I've learned that I've learned the importance of having good energy that's contagious, of working hard. Of Sonam Didi, I've learned I think she's made an example of her elegance, which I really look up to. From Arjun Bhaiya, I've learned I think the importance of being a magnanimous person, of being a person that doesn't give up, of being I've also learned what it feels like to be a sister to a brother, because I didn't have that, and me and Khushi have a very different equation, and me and Anshula Didi have a similar equation to what me and Khushi have, but to have a brother was, new, and it's a lot of fun.
And one thing, if they had to learn from Janhvi Kapoor, what would that be?
I don't think they want to learn anything from me. I don't know. I think you should ask them, because they only make fun of me. So I don't know what they'd learn.
Shalvi, now that we're in this generation where paps are a part and parcel of our lives, and especially you guys, you get papped everywhere you go, be it airports or gyms, and we've spoken about that. If you were a paparazzi, who will be that one celebrity whose pictures you want to click the most and check out the most on social media?
Click the most. No one, because I know how like it gets a little troublesome sometimes, so I don't want to trouble anyone like that. Maybe my dad, he loves posing,
Yeah.
so yeah, maybe I'll pap my dad.
Okay, Sara Ali Khan and your friendship, we've been seeing through lovely pictures and videos from Kedarnath, and now you guys bonded in Delhi as well.
Yeah.
One thing great about Sara and one thing you really want to tell her to change.
One thing great about Sara is that she is very unapologetically herself. One thing great about her is her energy and her ability to be objective and fun always, and I think not take herself too seriously. Like, she's okay to like laugh things off, which I think is a great and a very rare ability. One thing that I'd want her to change, nothing. I think nothing. Yeah, she's sahi hai. Don't change anything.
And a very quick one, we've spoken about the star kids and all this thing of being coming from a privileged background. One advantage and one disadvantage of coming from Kapoor clan.
One advantage, I think, is that I've seen many different journeys. I've seen moms, I've seen dads, I've seen Arjun Bhaiyas, I've seen Sonam Didis, I've seen Anil Chachus, and they've all had such different journeys. And honestly, they've when it comes to my dad, my mom, and Anil Chachu, they were first generation in the industry, and to carry that wisdom is, I think, it's very valuable, and to have access to their advice is very valuable. So I think that's the biggest perk. I think the disadvantage maybe would be the fact that we're not very good at dieting as a family.
Oh, I did not see that coming. I thought maybe...
No, we're not very good at it.
Great. One message to people who take social media trolling very seriously.
Don't. Because, I mean, I imagine, okay, put yourself in the shoes of someone who's opening their laptop, seeing a picture or a person that maybe they don't like very much, but having the energy and patience to write something mean and nasty and post it in the hopes that that person will see it and feel bad. Imagine how damaged that person must be. And I don't think that you should validate that energy. If someone's saying, oh, I wish she did better, oh, I don't know if she's deserving because this person, you know, things like that I understand. But if they say, moti bhais kya kar rahi hai yahan, then that's like, you know, there's no need really. So, yeah, I think just like offer them sympathy.
Janvi, last question here, but you are still a young generation actor, but there are people who are now coming into the industry, and you have Shania, Kushi,
Yes.
your own family.
Yes.
Though you guys are cousins, but they're going to be next generation of actors that we will see on screen.
Yeah.
So what is your message to them and all other aspiring actors who are eyeing a good career in Bollywood?
You know, I see them and they are so confident, so like they know their stuff so well. I see Shanaya's work, I see her on social media, I see, you know, all of these TVCs that she's done, I've seen like her auditions and stuff. She knows her stuff, she's there, she's alive. मतलब angles मालूम है, expressions मालूम है, light मालूम है. She's मैं तो मतलब डर के डाउट कर के सही किया. मैं मतलब बात नहीं कर पाती थी ठीक तरह से. So it's amazing how confident they are. And I really, so confidence they have. I think hard work they really believe in, and they have looks they clearly have. So I think the one advice I would give them was to I think be a good person, which they are and they have, but I think to constantly remind yourself to be kind and to be centered.
Absolutely. Thank you so much,
Thank
Janvi,
you.
and I hope that 2022 turns out to be a bigger, better, and brighter year
I
for
hope
you.
so.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys for joining us for this lovely session with Janvi Kapoor.